Other provinces are also doing their best. But as I said, our potential is huge. Our capacity is infinite. But our total exports, as I speak, is hovering around $2.5 billion. It doesn't reflect our potential. It doesn't reflect Pakistan's wonderful and huge, I think, strength we have to enhance this target to billions of dollars annually. I have had in the last 6-8 months at least 3-4 meetings how to galvanize our youth and how to enhance our IT sector. And we have arrived at a figure of $5 billion annually, which is absolutely doable. We can do much more, but given our limitations and other impediments,